Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets. Kids colors name. Blue color, blue color. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Brown color, brown color. Green color, green color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use blue color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. E for egg, E for elephant. And use yellow color. Yellow color. The alphabets of E. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids now draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use brown color. Brown color. The alphabets of G. Kids again use brown color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids now draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And again use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids now draw O. O for orange. The alphabets of O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw P. P for parrot. The alphabets of P. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And U is yellow color. Yellow color. Q for queen. Kids, again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose. R for rice. Kids, now draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And use green color. Green color. U for umbrella. Kids, again use green color and draw V. V for vanilla, V for van. The alphabets of V. Kids, now draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids, now draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. And again use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The last you draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids, today you draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for guard, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and lastly draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.